What's up, this your girl Ieisha, and you are now tuned into the Nail Lab. So today I'm actually just bringing a tutorial on how to apply a acrylic press-on set. I actually was working on the set while my client was there. It's so much easier because she provided me what she wanted before she got there, so it didn't take no more than about 20 to 30 minutes to put the application on. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to push your cuticles back. Pushing your cuticles will help ensure that your nails will fit properly. If you don't push it back, then it may pop right off because you didn't actually push them back. It doesn't have a place to fully seal the nail. The next thing you're going to do, you're going to file and shape your nails. My client wanted to keep her nails the same, so I went ahead and just filed and shaped it as much as I could. I do want to inform, I do own copyrights to this music, so sit back, watch this video, and enjoy this new song called Savannah's Room Part 2. I had already buffed the nails, so you don't actually see that in here, but you can see where it was buffed on her nail bed. So now I'm just laying the alcohol on the nail bed so they can be dehydrated. That dehydrates your nails. It helps the nails stick better. So now I'm putting the application on, the nail glue with the press-ons, and she just loved the way it felt to her, so she just kept looking at it. She just loved how it looked. I started on her thumbs instead of going from pinky and up because she has words. So I wanted to make sure that the thumbs were going to be placed on there correctly. And we're finished. So this is how it looks. Doesn't it look so pretty? Lady K is what it's saying. I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I love doing it for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. and I will see you again next time.